In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns the same width in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets so you can see your data and the column letters running across the top. It's always helpful to glance over your sheet for a moment to decide which columns you want to adjust, just a few side by side, or a larger block across the page. Next, select the columns you want to resize by clicking the letter at the top of a column header. That header area is what controls width changes. If you need more than one column, click the first letter, then drag across the letters to include the rest. You'll know it worked when the headers you selected are all highlighted. Selecting first is important because it tells Google Sheets to apply your change to every column you've highlighted in one move, rather than just a single column. Now, move your mouse to the line between any two column letters you selected. As you hover right on that boundary, your cursor will change to a left-right resize arrow. That cursor is your visual cue that you're in the correct spot to adjust width. With your column selected and the resize cursor visible, double-click on that boundary. Google Sheets will instantly resize the selected columns. Behind the scenes, it looks at the content in each column and adjusts the width to fit what's inside, cleaning up cut-off text and reducing extra empty space. This quick double-click is the fastest way to get a tidy, consistent layout across your selection in one action. A couple of practical tips while you do this. If the result feels a bit too wide or too tight, you can immediately press Undo to revert and try again. Also, if you're working with columns that have very long entries, consider wrapping text beforehand so the autofit creates a width that balances readability with space. And if your goal is a perfectly identical fixed width for every selected column, remember, there are options to set an exact size. However, the method we're using here focuses on the quick boundary double-click for a clean, uniform look in seconds. To recap, open your sheet, select the column headers you want, hover on the line between those letters until you see the resize cursor, and double-click. That's all it takes to make your columns align neatly and improve readability without manual trial and error. Thanks for watching. If this helped tidy up your sheet, apply it to other sections as you work, and you'll keep everything consistent with just a couple of clicks.